How to check recent activity on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to check recent activity on Android phone. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Google application. Now navigate to the profile icon at top right corner and choose your Google account and tap Manage your account. Now you reach on this page. You can scroll down and choose Data and Privacy option. Now under History setting, choose My Activity. And when you scroll down, you will see all of your recent activity on Android phone. If you want to delete, you can tap delete option and then choose the delete activity of last hour, last day, always or custom rain. So let's choose always. And here you can easily select the products and check mark it and tap on the next button and delete all your recent activities. So in this way you can check the recent activity on Android phone. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.